Hello and welcome. Let us go revisit BIDMAS. Okay, this could be BIDMAS, BODMAS, or PEMDAS. So when it is BIDMAS, the B stands for brackets, the I stands for indices, then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. When it is BODMAS, the O there stands for orders, where we have indices, exponents, and name them. Okay, then when it is PEMDAS, the P stands for parentheses, the E for exponents, the M for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Let's go for this. You could see that the order here, when we have PEMDAS, M comes before D, right? But here, BIDMAS, the B comes before M. Why so? Because division and multiplication, both of them are of equal importance. Okay, they are of equal importance. Same is equally applicable to addition and subtraction. Both of them are of equal importance. Okay, so we have a problem here to solve. Have a look here. But before we solve that problem, we have the first rule we have to take into consideration here. The first rule says, when presented with a number sentence containing more than one operation, such as the one we can see here, 3 plus 6, you can see that we have more than one operation here. The operations cannot be completed from left to right, but instead in their order of importance. Okay, so left to right is from this side, where we have 3 times, then from this side to this side, where we have 5 raised to power 2. So when we have a number sentence containing more than one operation, we can't do it this way from left to right. We can't. Instead, we have to apply the principle of, or the principles of BIDMAS, PEMDAS, or BODMAS. Okay, so let's go for that. The order of importance here means that anything in bracket, when we have, let's take BIDMAS into consideration now. Anything in brackets should come first before anything with indices, then before the division, then multiplication, A, addition, and subtraction. So this is their order of importance. Let's go solve this problem. Anything in bracket B, yes, we have 2 plus 4. Okay, that is what we're gonna be treated first. So it's gonna be 2 plus 4, 6, right? Then after that, indices or others, okay, or exponents. Is there anything with that? Yes, we have 5 raised to power 2, okay, and that should be plus 25. 5 raised to power 2 is 5 times 5, that will give you 25, right? Then after that, we go for multiplication. Anything with division, we don't have. Multiplication, yes, we have 3 times. Okay, it's 3 times. We take that down. After this, what comes next? Multiplication or addition? Let's have a look. Multiplication comes first before addition. Okay, we have to go deal with that first. 3 times 6, that will give you 18. Okay, plus 25. We have to take that 25 down, and that will give you 43. Okay. Okay, we have a second problem to solve. Now it says 5 minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Right here, let's go look at the BIDMAS. Okay, what comes here? We don't have anything in bracket, no indices, but we have division. So anything with division should go first in our own case. So it's going to be 6 divided by 3. That will give you 2. Okay. Then we have to take plus down 2, then minus down, and then 5. Okay. So here, there is a second part to BIDMAS. Then understanding that second part will help you solve this problem. The second part says that division and multiplication, they are of equal importance. No matter which one comes first, our calculation should be from left to right. And that same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. Okay? Addition and subtraction are of equal importance. Whichever one comes first, okay, it doesn't matter. Our calculation should always be from left to right. This is left and we're going to right. You could see that we have only two of them left, subtraction and addition. So the choice here is that it's going to be from left to right. So in that case, we have to go for 5 minus 2. That will give you 3 plus 2. Okay? And that will give you 5. Let's assume that you didn't know about the second rule. You will definitely get it wrong here because you will go for, okay, addition comes first before subtraction. Let's go for 2 plus 2 and that will give you 4, right? Then 5 minus 4, that will give you 1, which is wrong because the second rule says addition and subtraction both are of equal importance, and our solution should always go from left to right, from here to here, meaning 5 minus 2, 3, then plus 2, 5. So that is it for BIDMAS. Okay, thank you for watching. Give the video a like and equally share. Thanks and God bless you.